So this is what you do. You stand here on the corner by the entrance, and as cars come down, you ask if you can get a ride.
A few moments later.
In his Beamer here. What are we working with?
It's a 2021 BMW M3 Comp. It's rear-wheel drive. It's got upgraded turbos, upgraded trans, stock engine. All together makes about 920 to the wheel.
Nice, nice. Yeah. Been having a good weekend?
Yeah, so far really good. I actually just turned up the boost a little bit, so we'll see if I can do much better.
All right. I'm excited. This is super cool. Really appreciate you taking me for a ride along here.
That's the point of Powercruise.
Yeah, this is a great event. You know, everybody's super friendly here.
Yeah.
Like, I haven't seen any like negativity in any way. So super cool. Everybody's just car guys, you know, and it's amazing. And nobody's like dogging anybody for what they drive, or you know, like it's just a good time. So we're just waiting in line now, as you can see. They just kind of let a few on at a time and then roll through for spacing. So more here when we get up there.
And I'm not spinning.
So we're just out here setting up a race.
Yeah, he's like 900.
Okay.
But he's DCT, and you know.
Okay. Yeah.
GT 500.
Yeah.
You can just see the length come every time you shift. Yeah. Especially compared to you guys with your automatics. It's just insane. The fast ones like that. But I'm gonna...
plugging her ears. I think this guy's gonna be a problem in front of us.
Gonna get out of our way.
Nice. one definitely grabbed. Just gotta warm them up a bit.
40, right?
Yeah, did you win?
Did I win?
Yeah.
It was so close. It was so close.
Does he have people in the back right now?
Yeah. I know, I know, I don't.
What year is that car?
This is 21.
What's that?
I don't know.
Limp mode. Saying something's up with the diff?
The diff, rear axle, yeah.
Well, we got her pulled off over here to the side, and so the message on the screen there is for the diff and rear axle. We just looked underneath; it's dry. Everything's in one piece. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna take a little peek here, but I mean, everything is clean and dry. So he's gonna go ahead and try putting a different tune in it and see if that clears it out. But damn, she was on one hell of a rip there. We'll see what happens. New tune, fired it up. Let's see what happens. No. Can't hear anything in it when it's rolling.
Oh, that's good.
Well, that's out of commission for a moment.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go walk and see if I can't figure out how to get this thing back up and running.